The purpose to conduct a press conference at Kolkata is very important. First thing is that, as in today's date, if you know, the literacy rate of Kolkata is 80% plus. The purpose of Dayanand Sagar is there to bridge the gap between them. As the main objective, aim, you can say that Dayanand Sagar University will help students to transform their life into a responsible citizen and a professional leadership. The main USP of DSU, you can say, why we are unique from others. We have a very nominal fee structure where you can say we have world-class infrastructure facility in that nominal fees. We have around 130 plus acres of campus, lush green campus with 1,000 plus bed facilities. We have medical hospitals, research centers at our university. And the best part, I'll tell you, the best part of our curriculum is that whatever the industry requirement is there, we teach that only. Our methodology is very different, more of the practical work. And Bangalore being a Silicon Valley of India, there are a lot of employability opportunities. If I want to give you the top 3 reasons, majorly, if you see the graph, most of the people, most of the students and professionals, they are settled in Bangalore. And the top 3 reasons are, first thing is that a top class education which opens the door for more employability. Second thing is that as a Silicon Valley, there are the multi-giants, the IT and multi-giants, multinational companies headquarters are based in Bangalore, which gives the extra edge for students and professionals to explore and explore their skill sets. Third thing is that the climatic conditions and the trends, whatever, today's trend, what is required for students and professionals. So these are the few, you can say, reasons why most of the people from Kolkata is been, what we say, it's a second home for them, Bangalore. Apart from this, our Vice Chairman, Honorable, respected Prem Chandra Sagar sir, his views are very clear. He wanted to urge students, he wanted to encourage students to come and see the Bangalore, where they can, live their dreams. As you know, you can see this, our motto, our logo says that, DSU, live the dream. So that is very important for us. And we are 60 plus years of legacy. We have, more than 60 plus years in the education field. And that is the reason I would urge all students, parents, through the media, to please take an advantage of this opportunity. And we have office in Kolkata where it's an information center, you can say. And foremost, very important thing, we don't charge any capitation fees, because in today's day we don't want any agents in between. So it's without capitation fees, zero donation, we encourage students to take the quality education. My name is Deepak Kalokhe. I'm working as an chief.
Arranged this press meet today to basically come up with our newly achieved accreditation of NAC A+ category. And on the same occasion, today we have with us our Honorable Chief Marketing Officer, Mr. Deepak Kalokhe from Bangalore, Mr. Shutanu Bhomi, Cluster Head East and Northeast, and me, myself, Kamal Ghosh. I'm looking after Kolkata admission section.
Firstly, that I am grateful and thankful that you people are accepted our invitation and you are here for the press conference. The objective and the purpose of this press conference is that Dayanand Sagar University wanted to transfer public student into tomorrow's responsible citizenship. They wanted to be a student to be a responsible citizen and tomorrow's professional leader. Companies. We also sponsor, we encourage entrepreneurships.
where if a student wanted to launch his projects commercially, we promote that, we encourage that. So these are the few points I wanted to highlight about Dayanand Sagar University. Apart from that, I would request Mr. Sultanu to please address in a Bengali language.
নমস্কার সবাইকে। দয়ানন্দ সাগর ইউনিভার্সিটি ব্যাঙ্গালোরের তরফ থেকে যারা প্রেসের যারা পিপল যারা আজকে এখানে উপস্থিত হয়েছেন তাদের সবাইকেই শুভেচ্ছা ও অভিনন্দন। এবং আমি বলতে চাই প্রথমে আমার নাম হচ্ছে সুতনু ভৌমিক, আমি ক্লাস্টার হেড ইস্ট এবং নর্থ ইস্ট রিজিয়নের, এবং আমি এই রিজিয়নটা দেখি ফর অল দ্য আউটরিচ অ্যান্ড মার্কেটিং অ্যাক্টিভিটিস। দয়ানন্দ সাগর ইউনিভার্সিটি এবং দয়ানন্দ সাগর গ্রুপ অফ ইনস্টিটিউশনের কথা যদি আমি বলি, দয়ানন্দ সাগর গ্রুপ অফ ইনস্টিটিউশন 60 বছরের পুরনো একটা গ্রুপ অফ ইনস্টিটিউশন। আমাদের লিগেসি হচ্ছে 60 বছরের, এবং ইন 2014 আমরা স্টেট প্রাইভেট ইউনিভার্সিটি রিকগনিশন পাই আন্ডার ইউনিভার্সিটি গ্র্যান্ড কমিশন। এবং আমাদের ব্যাঙ্গালোরে 4টে ক্যাম্পাসে আমাদের এই দয়ানন্দ সাগর গ্রুপ অফ ইনস্টিটিউশন এবং দয়ানন্দ সাগর ইউনিভার্সিটির সমস্ত কিছু পড়ানো হয়। প্রথম এবং সবচেয়ে ওল্ড ক্যাম্পাস হচ্ছে কুমারস্বামী লেআউট, এবং সেকেন্ড ক্যাম্পাস হচ্ছে সিটি ক্যাম্পাস হচ্ছে কুডলুগেট হসুর রোড, থার্ড ক্যাম্পাস হচ্ছে কনকপুরা রোড, এবং ফোর্থ ক্যাম্পাস যেটা 140 একর আর্ট অফ দ্য টাউন এবং নিউ এজ একটা ক্যাম্পাস আমরা নতুন লঞ্চ করেছি, এবং যেটা অলরেডি